Hi everyone, well, my paper pumpkin just arrived. This is the July 2022 paper pumpkin kit called, oh, what is it called? Sending Good Thoughts. And I haven't seen any previews for this one. Oh, I saw one. It's like a ship in a bottle preview kind of idea. And so I'm looking forward to it. I love beachy theme. My cat is crawling around. One second. Trixie. I closed the door better. Okay, here it is. All right, this is a fun stamp set. Look at that. Okay, let me get a piece to put behind so you can see it better. All right, we've got a really fun boat, a little message rolled up, some starfish, a seahorse. I love that. Thinking of you, can't wait to see you, sending good thoughts, and wishing all the best. And some seaweed, little spots. Really cute stamp set to add to your stamp collection. This is a nice unique one. Stamp spot is Bermuda Bay. Okay, I'm going to show you this one in a second because there's some important news there, but let's look at the kit. I love the colors already. So it looks like we've got fresh freesia. All right, let me use the scissors. So our dimensionals, some linen thread and glue dots, wonderful. Here are the cards. Those, oh, look at that seahorse. I love seahorse. Oh, and the seagull. This is really cute. Okay, if you didn't get this one, you know I always order extra, so you might want to see if I have any left by the time you see this video, because I think it'll go fast. Look at these cute accents. Look at how pretty. Look at this coral. That is super fun. Some seagulls, this big seagull. Really nice die cut. So you've got 1, 2, 3 pages of these. Here's our card bases. We've got, oops, there's something else in there. Some, oh, look at these. So you've got some bottles. Really cute. So just 3 pages of those. We've got 3 different color card bases. What else do we have here? Some more accents. These are embossed, so that means that there's raised areas. Really nice. This one has some raised clouds. I'm not sure if you can, and some waves. And then this one has kind of waves too. Looks almost like a mermaid. So these are really pretty. I like this kit a lot. And here are the envelopes. They're kind of a, looks like pool party or a very pale version of the Bermuda Bay. So really cute cards. Let's take a closer look. 3 of each 9 cards, and they're really cute. The linen thread goes around the bottles. The bottles have little things inside them. Really, really cute. Okay, I really like this paper pumpkin kit. I think I'm going to do this one right away. So if you didn't get this month's kit and you want it, contact me. I may have some extras. I always order a few extras for people who see the video, the unboxing, and say, oh, I wish I would have got it, and they missed out. So that's what this one looks like. But in there was a couple little blurbs that I want to tell you about because they're kind of important. For the first one I want to tell you about is Celebration is starting, and during Celebration you get free products with every $50 and $100 and on that you spend. So if you buy a pre-purchased Stampin' Up paper pumpkin kit and you buy like a pre-purchased 3-month subscription, for example, you pay for it all at once, that would qualify you for a free Celebration item. And if you buy like a 6-month kit, you know, or a 12-month kit, you can get even more freebies. So with every $50 increment, you can pick more free things. So during Celebration is a great time to purchase the prepaid subscription, and they come in 1-month increments. That's not quite enough to get you a freebie, but then they also come in 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month subscriptions. So you can do that as a gift for somebody or for yourself. It's a really fun thing to have. And then let me show you next month's kit because it's gorgeous. Ta-da! Look at the box. It's beautiful. I love the watercolor. You know that if you've seen any of my videos. I love to watercolor. Now this one I did hear a little bit about. First off, there's going to be 2 ink spots in this kit because you're going to do 2-step stamping, and that means you're going to layer 2 stamps together to get your final image. So there's 2 ink spots, And I already know the colors. It's for the sunflower. So you've got, I think it's crushed curry and soft suede. I think it's a yellow and soft suede, I believe. So really pretty. And the stamp set has a sunflower. So I know that. And then I also have an idea that the look is going to be kind of watercolor because they kind of put that on the box. And then the second thing I want to tell you about this kit is that it's going to come with free gift. And they told us what that is. It's not going to be a surprise. It's printed, it's these embellishments, gold foil, like gold foil background piece that is, I think it's cut like a honeycomb. I'll put up a picture of it. They did post a picture of it, and I can post it on my Facebook group or my blog. And it's just a piece of accent. It's a full card size background that's gold foil, and it's not used in the cards on the kit. You can put it on the cards in the kit to, you know, enhance them somehow, or you can use them on your other projects, and you get a pack of those. So that's going to be in the August kit, Sweet Sunflowers. So you might want to subscribe to that. There's a link on how to subscribe in my description of the video, and if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you. Bye.